Hello. Finally got my gimbal from GoPro, the Fluid Pro AI. Really wanted to have this piece of technology in my arsenal for so long. And yeah, now let's see what's inside. Here is the box with a handle and with the backside looking like this. Let's open it up. Ooh. So I see a little tripod here. I straight away started to using this tripod, connected it into the GoPro Volta right here. Pretty convenient. You can place it on the table like that. So let's get the gimbal itself. Oh, feels pretty heavy, to be honest. Here's the camera, here's the handle, the warning notice about balancing. It feels very nice. It's kind of heavy, but we'll see how it's gonna perform with the camera attached. Here's the final packaging with the GoPro mount, I guess. Let's see. USB-C cable. Also USB-C cable. And here's some items for the GoPro itself. This L-shaped mount. Also the screw. Here's the packaging. Yeah, let's try to use it with the GoPro itself. So I've connected the GoPro to this L-shaped mount. Good looking contraption. I try to put it in the center of mass, but there is a little, overbalance because of the lens. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Here it goes. Pretty much balanced. A little more. Yeah. And let's pull this little tab. So yeah, we unlock every axis. Let's turn it on. Maybe I did it in a wrong direction because it's like the AI camera pointing on me. I don't think it's supposed to do so. Everything moves pretty smoothly. Pretty nice. So I just flipped this AI camera. With its triple tap on this trigger, you can flip it around. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, that's a pretty cool contraption. I can zoom in, zoom out. I can also flip the camera on me. Like that. Also turn on the light. I can switch the light temperature. Yeah. Very cool. The best part is that I can turn on the tracking like that, and I can move along with the move along and camera will track me. That's pretty cool. That's interesting. And I can also start and finish recordings with that gesture. I can also roll it like that. Yeah, that's very nice. I'm pretty stoked about the this thing. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time.